It is about 7:15 in the morning, and we have some birds that are making a lot of noise off in the distance, so hopefully that's not going to bother things too much. I just came out, and this is kind of interesting, so I thought I'd show it to you. It's about 32 degrees, and it's kind of neat what we have going on with the solar panels. If you've watched my other videos, you know that we have two inverter only panels on each end, and then all the ones in the center are the battery commander. Now, what's neat with what we've got going on here is that there was some dew that had hit the panels, but the heat from the boxes that are attached to the backs of the panels have actually dried the panels out. But if we look at what is actually dry, you can see that the inverter set on the end, that's inverter only, is all damp. But then one in from that, you can see that the location of the battery commander as well as the microinverter has dried out. Same thing on the next set of panels, same thing on the next set of panels. So that's kind of neat. So you've got the two panels on the end, then you've got the next two sets of panels, then the next two sets of panels, and so on. Same thing on this end. This end is completely damp. But right there in the middle, that is where the wires actually go down into the house, and that's where I flipped the ordering of the panels. So right there in the middle, the third panel in is actually where the battery commander and microinverter are, and it is right up next to the battery. Correction, the entrance into the house, I think we'll be able to see it. I don't know if you can see that or not, probably not, is right on the lower left corner of the panel that is dried out all the way across. And so we're actually getting a little bit of heat from that vent, which makes perfect sense. But anyway, it's just kind of neat to see, without having a IR gun or whatever. This lets us get a feel for what sort of heat we have coming out of our house, and also due to the solar panels.